Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh, yes. I can see you. I can see you watching the world. I see you watching the world. There's a lot of things to watch. Gotta watch behind me. I wonder who else is watching. Buried in the leaves. I see you. Oh, 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 oh. There goes. It's getting loud. We need to hide. It's getting a little bit louder. A little bold, huh? Too bold. I think he just can't get over the people lying down. It's just like, what is this? Are they really lying down on the grass? Why are they doing that? Well, that's humans for you. That's humans for you, Ginger Boy. Ginger Boy, where are you going? Is this entire section your territory? And why do you always trip? Ah, I got the little ginger. Hi. Candid camera. You're on candid camera, Ginger. Ooh, I know. You guys must be. Got you. Got you. Looking like a lion. Like a little tiger. Alright, guys. Why can't you do some kind of entertainment? It's not easy, you know. Running a show and airing repeats all the time. Alright, guys. Any final words? Live life. What do you say? Live life? Live life. Live long and prosper.